Hi all, in this video let's learn about how to create the GitHub pull request template, and also we'll understand what is the importance of these templates as well. So firstly, I will show you how to create it. So at the root level, create a folder called .github. The folder name should be .github, and inside this create a file called pull underscore request underscore template .md. So this is the file extension. So this we need to do at the root level, root of the folder. So and in this template, what we need to write. So let me show you that. So this is a URL where we can have some sample pull request templates. I will put this in the description or the comment section. Okay. And you can write your own markdown as well, however you want. But for now, like I'm taking just a sample pull request template, and I will post that here. So this is what. Okay, just I'm posting this sample. So why this pull request template is we need to use it. Okay, I will explain. So this is how now we are done. So just push this code, and this code like .github and this file should be at the default branch of your GitHub. So this is my GitHub, and inside this GitHub, the main is a base branch. It can be called like a it is a default branch of this GitHub, this repo. Okay, in this repo, in this the default branch, these files should be there. Okay, and now whenever you raise any of the pull requests, see I'm raising one pull request. I'm raising it from the develop to the main branch. See, this is a template which we have created. Okay, now here you can add what all the changes you did and what is the ticket number and what we need to do before reviewing this request or whatever you want before you someone reviewing your request. You can add that as a template. See here you are not adding all these things. This is a standard. So now we have set some standard process for the PRs. Okay, this is a simple template and you can modify this according to you. Okay, this is the what the template mean. Okay, now you will just modify the things like this ticket says something and tell the ticket number, like issue ID as 123 something, and what to be tested in this story and what not to be tested, and what is the scope of this story, and all those things you can have here, like the checklist. Fine. And if you create this, so this is a template, pull request template, and this you can modify according. So there are a couple of sample templates here. I will post this link and how to write this markdown. So I will also post this link. This is a link like here it will be shown. So the if once hash given, it looks something like this. So here you can understand how to write a bold, italic, and how you wanted to have this markdown formatting. Okay, I will also put this link. With the help of this, you can format your templates and you can put that in this template and push this into the default branch of your GitHub, so that from the next time whoever raises the pull request from any of the branches, he will be getting this template by default. So with this way, you can set some standard process in your organization while any one of them raising the pull request. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.